In today's lesson, we're going to compare some integers. So if we have a problem like this that says compare the numbers below and determine which sign makes the statement true. So we have -8 1/4 and we're trying to find the sign and we're going to compare it to -8. Okay, and we have our choices here. So this sign is equal to, this is greater than. So when the sign is pointing this way, it's greater than. When the sign is pointing this way, it's less than. Okay? So the first thing to do is compare the whole number parts. Okay? So the whole number parts are the same for these two. So -8, -8, they're the same. So now compare the fractions. So to do that, remember when comparing negative numbers, the bigger the negative number is, the more negative it is making it smaller. So when it's more negative, it means it's making it even smaller, okay? So this one is more negative, so it's smaller because it has an extra 1/4, whereas this one doesn't. So -8 1/4 is less than -8, and that's the correct answer. And that's all there is to this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could take a look at those. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.